Hello everyone and welcome to our experiment. In this video, we will design, build and test a mini rocket powered by an exothermic reaction. I hope you like our presentation.
Look at all the lonely people.
The three objectives of the experiment are listed below. 1. Analyze the relationship between chemical reaction and propulsion. 2. Design and optimize the design of the mini rocket to maximize its efficiency and stability. 3. Explore the practical application of exothermic reactions as an alternative and sustainable source of energy.
Materials. Number 1. Aluminum is a light made by alkyl silverium. Many is industrial application. Number 2. Matches. Number 2. Matches are in utensil used like a fire in an control and they be no way take composition is devised in the medium will the head correct suster very night would record is Nasser. Number 3. Plastic clip. The plastic clip word is the shear the boy boring. They suffer way is they mere. Number 4. Laser. The laser is using to heat the hero. The image covered by the aluminum.
Here is the procedure for the mini rocket experiment. 1. Preparation. Wrap the heads of 3 matches in aluminum foil from a tripod and then place the tripod on a flat surface. 2. Assembly. Place the paddle cap on the tripod and make sure everything is secure and ready for ignition. 3. Ignition. Light the matches simultaneously and observe the reaction and note the time. 4. Measurement. Observe the height reached by the mini rocket. 5. Repeat and analyze. Repeat step 1 through 4 at least 3 times and analyze the data to determine the effect of the variables on the performance of the mini rocket.
Some of the real-world applications of the mini rocket experiment are fireworks. The principle of the chemical reactions that power the mini rocket is similar to that used in fireworks. Understanding these reactions can help 1. Design safer fireworks. 2. Improve the efficiency and duration of visual effects. 3. Develop new colors and patterns.
The mini rockets help us evaluate and understand the purpose of we on fusing is into giving is will not able to fly and if it's too much fuel it will explosion.
Space propulsion. Principles of propulsion used in the experiment apply to space rocket propulsion. Uh, Second is scientific research is a structure on combustion and propulsion help understand natural phenomena and improve technologies. 3 is education. Experiments like these foster curiosity and interest in science and technology. When we light the match, it reacts with the oxygen in the air and produces a chemical reaction and causes combustion. Also, the shape of the rocket head directs the force upward, causing the rocket to rise. Conclusion is the chemical reaction between phosphorus and oxygen is the key to making the mini rocket work. The energy real in the chemical reaction is what propels the rocket upward.
Hypothesis. If the ambient temperature is too cold, then the mini rocket experiment will not be able to develop because it will take longer to heat up. Hypothesis. If too much aluminum is used in the construction of the mini rocket, then the chemical reaction will not be able to develop because the weight of the aluminum will not allow the rocket to fly.
If is alive, is the wheel in the rocket will deviate in original trajectory due to the extreme force. If is using Martian 5 matched and leader piece of aluminum, it will not fire because due to the force of combustion, the aluminum will break and aluminum will be pushed Sebastian and Bottom fly.
The hypothesis is if we do not adapt the matches will where they are in a upward direction, the rocket might not fly in the correct direction. The hypothesis is if we do an experiment on a surface or around something that creates a fire, the experiment can get out of hand.
Evaluation and verification of hypotheses. The first hypothesis is correct since due to the fact that the aluminum was colder it took longer to ignite. The second hypothesis is also correct since on several occasions when a lot of aluminum was used the rocket didn't fly. The third hypothesis is also correct since even in real life measurements have to be made with respect to the wind. The fourth hypothesis is also correct, since on the occasion when we used many straws, the aluminum broke. The fifth hypothesis is also correct, since a slick change in position changes the trajectory. The sixth hypothesis is also correct, because if the temperature of external things is not controlled, it could end very badly.
Here are the conclusions from the mini rocket experiment. After performing the mini rocket experiment, we were able to conclude that 1. The chemical reaction between the aluminum foil and the match produced a force sufficient to propel the mini rocket upward. 2. The height reached by the mini rocket depend on the number of matches used and the way they were placed. 3. The chemical reaction was exothermic, releasing energy in the form of heat and light. 4. The use of aluminum foil as fuel was effective in producing a rapid and powerful reaction. 5. The experiment demonstrated the basic principles of chemical propulsion and energy. 6. The number of matches used affected the height reached by the mini rocket.